Here's how to share a Google Doc so that people can open it without needing to sign into Google Docs or without asking for special permission to enter your document. When you're ready to share, you click the blue Share button. In the windows that open, you want to use the lower window that says Get Link. And you want to make sure that you choose the option for anyone on the internet with this link can view. And what you'll see, if you haven't already selected this before, there will be a blue hyperlink right below this that you need to click, and it will open this area. And you can choose for whoever you share the link with to be able to view the document, which means they'll be able to look at it, but not make comments or not edit it in any way. You can select commenter, which means the person can leave comments, or you can select editor, and that means the person can get into your documents, can make changes, additions, deletions. So letting them be an editor gives them a lot of power with your document. For a lot of situations, what you'll want to choose is commenter so that people can leave comments in the margins but can't mess with your text. Once you've selected the kind of privileges a person has with your document, then you want to make sure you copy link, and that will copy it to your clipboard, and then you can paste it to share it with whomever you want to share it with. Let me know if you have any questions.